All right, so I'm back with another post video breakdown. So I do these in the evening time to kind of gauge and see if my predictions were spot on, if they were incorrect, or just kind of to record my thoughts and what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at. So earlier, I know, let's see, around, I think I did one around 7. So we were like right here. And I said I needed this to come up back up here, and it did before we dropped. And this would lead the other person to do the exact opposite. So EU, I actually caught a sell on this wick. I buy on this wick right here, and it actually hit my first target, but I actually closed out. I had 2 entries, so I think it was about 100 pips or whatever. So hit that, but I'm actually I probably shouldn't have closed it because this thing's gonna go back up, but that's something I have to work on with my psychology. Um, so I had that going. That was a good trade. And something I was like, what else was I? I took EJ and I actually took EJ and I got out of it because I didn't really like this, even though I think it's still gonna push up. But it's struggling right here. So we could get a drop and then go up. So I did get out of this trade. GU actually missed it. It came back. I actually entered like right here, I think. And this wick down stopped me out, then shut up. So, um, I mean, yeah, so I missed out on that. But I did see, when I saw this, let's see. When I saw this wick is when I should have, I knew it was going up. And I said it'd probably come back down. But let's see where it actually came to. Yeah, I had it come right here, literally. I actually had this marked off. Huh. So I'm testing a new strategy for entries and actually worked. Let's see. Yeah. You know what? I was actually looking at this, but it shut up and it never came back, so I didn't get in. So GJ, I did say it was gonna go up as well. Um, and it is still on that very, very steep momentum trend line. Let's see, 9. Yeah, I said it would actually come back into. Let's see where that came to. Right there. Let's see. Excuse me. Touched it right to the T. That's the line chart. Get your break. Retest up. How many pip? Still a pretty good stop loss, but nonetheless, I did have this going up some more, and it did. UCAD. I'm actually waiting for this to touch this line and then go up. So we'll see if we get that or not to maybe do a inverse head shoulders pattern. I think that's all the pairs I went over. So everything played out actually like I projected. but I only took EU and EJ, and they both hit TV. So let's see. Like it hit that 27% like on the dot. Smashed it. It's probably gonna go up to 61.8. The EJ. Let's see. I'll move on a second wave. So yeah, I'm looking for that to come back up here. So we'll see when we get this push. If we don't, and it comes down a little more, touch this trend line. Hopefully I'll be up, take the trade, take the buys. That's all I have, and I'll record a preview video breakdown in the morning.